welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the card kit of the month for July 2019. The theme was Celebrate, and in there you get 10 cards and 10 envelopes, 8 pieces of cardstock, set of 13 dies, pattern paper, foam stickers, a stamp set, gemstones, die cut shapes, foam glitter stickers, and foam squares and adhesive tape. And this is cool because like if you're traveling, then you all you need is actually you don't need anything like because everything's in here. So they're like, yeah, this would be good like for traveling. So I'm gonna show you. This is the dies right here, and it's a mermaid, and this is what she looks like. And you can make all kinds of ways. You can cut her out on pattern paper. You can cut her on bright paper and color her. It's just endless. So that's that die for that. Then you also have, this is your stamp set. So you also have like, it says Celebrate, which is sending you are, have a day, amazing, oceans of love, mermaid kiss and starlight wishes, and you have a seashell, and you have actually it's a layer extra one, and you have a couple like seaweeds, a starfish, and you have mermaid, and you have some bubbles, and and some more seaweeds. So that was fun. Then also you have some the die cup shapes, and it was 2 of everyone, and it's plenty in there. Here is the gems. It was 3 different shapes in here. This is the foam stickers, and this is what's left of it. And as you see, this ton, it was ton in here, and I still got plenty left over. And I made like 10 cards, and I still got plenty left over. So this is the foam stickers that's left over. This one was, this is the foam glitter stickers. Love, friend, and hello's left. And then also, and here's your pattern paper, and this is some of the designs you got in it. It's not double-sided, it's single sheets, and you get 2 of every kind. So this is so nice. I think this one right here was my favorite right here. I love that one, and that was also a fun design too. So that's that. So I'm going to show you the cards that I made now. Like I said, I made 10 cards, and I still got plenty left to make more. I can at least make another 10 more cards. So yes, that was a lot. So here's one. This one is keep swimming, and I used a dolphin, and I used like a wave type thing. I was trying to mimic the pattern paper, and I used the silver cardstock that was in it, and I used the blue cardstock also. So that's that one. So that was a cute one. This one I used some the what was they called? These was the die cut shapes. I used those, and I cut like a thin sheet of paper, and I have a little bit of gold, not gold, silver pattern paper. Not pattern. Gold is not pattern. Mirror silver. And so then it says hashtag flawless, hashtag fearless, and it says love. And I put the and sign and the fun and some gems. And I also have some gems on here. I use the same kind of gems, both the silver ones. And here's the seashell. For this one, I used 2 mermaids. And I was trying to make it like where they was reaching off each other. They were trying to grab each other. Whereas her eyes are open and her hands are closed, and she's reaching off for her. And it says hashtag smart girls. And I used a leaf that I cut out. And then I put a banner here, and I used the gold gems. Not the gold, these are the, what do you call these color? Like a turquoise color. So I used that one. This one was like I was trying to mimic like a under the sea type one. And so this is like type, so I have that stars, and you have like the seaweeds, and you have like the other types of weeds, and you have like turtle and the seahorse. And like I took the bubble and I stamped it in the back, and I took like a frame. So like it was like I was trying to mimic like an aquarium, and all this is at the bottom of the aquarium. So this my idea was with this one, and then here I used some more of the. This one is this is the, I think the yeah, this is blue sequins. So a gemstone sequins. With this one is where I took some purple paper and I used purple paper and I took some distress oxide and I inked it up. And then I took another piece of pen paper and I was trying to make her like where she was at the bottom of the ocean and she has a pearl and it says kind and brave, that's all you ever need. Because, you know, when you have a gem, what else do you need? So that's how that worked out. Then you have this one where I use a mermaid and some 3 pattern papers here, as you see, and it all. And then I took the die cut. This is fabulous, and she's saying, "Oh wow, I am fabulous." And I use some more gold sequins. Then with this one, I use what's these called? These are called the glitter foam. I think these are called. I use the word magic, smile, and dream, and I use some more of the silver ones. And also, oh yes, and I used I forgot I also made my own background here also. For this one, I took 2-piece pattern papers and I also took the mirror's cardstock, the silver, and then I took her again and I put some gold gems and it says feeling so happy because she's feeling so happy about the dog, swans, and they're swimming. So, and here is me. This is supposed to be me. I'm all glittered up. I made my. And so I took my purple hair because you know, girl, I have purple and sunglasses. And I put some gems on sunglasses, and then I took 2 different pattern papers, and yeah, oh my gosh, she is so cute. She really is. She is glamming out. You can't get any glamour than her. And then for my final card, this was a bit of everything. I mean, it really was. So it was like seashells and sand and sunshine, and I was trying to get the effect. So I took the swan, and I got some stars here, and this is deep, uh, deep thoughts and magical secrets, and you are treasure, and I have stuff behind here. What is this called? This is a seashell, and I took octopus, and I got another seashell, and I got a fish here, I got some gems here, I got some seaweed. I mean, I just, it was just basically what I was just trying to do. Like I said, I was just trying to load it up. So this is all 10 cards I made. Thank you for stopping by and watching them. See ya.